Welcome to our channel. If you need to file a petition with USCIS for a spouse or child the right way, follow these step-by-step instructions to avoid delays and denials. Step 1. Determine your eligibility as the petitioner. You must be a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident to petition for immediate family members. Step 2. Identify the correct form for your situation. Use Form I-130 for spouse, children, parents, or siblings. Use Form I-129F for fiancées. The form depends on your relationship and where your family member currently resides. Step 3. Gather evidence proving your relationship. For spouses, provide marriage certificate, photos together, joint financial documents, and proof of any previous marriages ending in divorce or death. Step 4. Collect proof of your U.S. citizenship or permanent resident status, such as a birth certificate, passport, naturalization certificate, or green card. Step 5. Complete the petition form accurately and thoroughly. Provide all requested information and sign the form. Don't leave sections blank. Write NA if a question doesn't apply. Step 6. Assemble supporting documents, including government-issued IDs, birth certificates for children, proof of legal name changes, and translations of any documents not in English. Step 7. Pay the required filing fee. Check the USCIS website for current fees, as they change periodically. Fee waivers are not available for family-based immigration petitions. Step 8. Submit your complete petition package to the correct USCIS lockbox facility based on your location and form type. Make copies of everything before mailing. Track your package and monitor your case status online using your receipt number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.